What's up, guys? Thanks for stopping by. Playing some short clips from the Coinist podcast. I try to have on the best investors, top analysts, biggest exchanges every single week so you know what's happening in the crypto market. But I know some of you don't like to watch a full show, so I'm going to bring you some clips, some highlights so that you can get the biggest ideas, the takeaways in a quick 5 or 10 minute clip. Enjoy the clip. You can watch the full show down below. With Bitcoin's movement, with Bitcoin's volatility, there's been some moves lately, or very recently, I should say, that are just ridiculous. I mean, we have BARTs would be an understatement based on what they've been doing. The 10% intraday move up, 10% right back down. Why is Bitcoin one of the only assets where you see moves like that, right? I know if you went down to a granular level on FX or 1 minute, sure, you could maybe find something similar. But on high time frames, it's kind of crazy. Why do you think that's happening with Bitcoin? I know no one knows the complete reason, but why do you think it's happening?
I think part of it is that now that there's so much volume and open interest on derivative exchanges, there's a tremendous amount of sort of a bounty put out to be able to liquidate this flow, right, and capture that bounty. And so in the absence of that, where there's no clear direction and there's sort of just market going sideways, I think that's sort of actually the natural state of things. And then when people see an opportunity, they can come and they can sort of take advantage of pockets of illiquidity or pockets of sort of like a way to get the price to move to a certain point, right? And some will call that manipulation, but I don't see it as manipulation. I see it as simply the fact that the market, the vast majority of Bitcoin is actually held, off exchanges. It's held off these venues, and it's not being traded around. So a very small amount of the Bitcoin that are out there are moving the price, right? So that movement of price, it doesn't really matter to these long-term holders, but it matters a lot if you're gonna get liquidated on a 2% move, then it matters to you. So I think that will only continue as long as people will allow themselves to get liquidated on these moves. But if that were not there as a bounty, I think there would be far fewer BARTs because you would not be able to accomplish anything through these BARTs, right?
So the BARTs are here to stay as well, you think?
As long as people trade on derivatives, that's, I think, definitely true, and I do think they will because that's sort of the world's best casino now, right?
Yeah,
so.
Yeah.